everybody. Now that the big boss has arrived, we can get started. All right, welcome to our Semester 1 Academic Honor Roll Award Assembly. Thank you all for being here to support the best bunch of 6th grade students in the entire world. I may be a little biased there, but truly, this group of 6th graders are inquisitive, funny, smart, outgoing, and an absolute joy to teach. I'm honored to stand here today to recognize our honor roll and principal honor roll recipients. Can you guys hear me okay? I'm usually pretty loud without a microphone. So we will start with the honor roll. To earn a spot on the honor roll, students must have earned all A's and B's for both quarter 1 and quarter 2. When I call your name, please come up to receive your award from Mr. Ramey. Afterwards, you will shake hands with Ms. Hewitt and Ms. Ingham, and then you're going to walk across the stage and line up here in the front, okay? And please stay there until all names are called so we can take some pictures. Parents, kindly ask that you hold your applause until all the names have been read, okay? All right, so let's get started. Honor roll. Noah Adams. Nicholas Artega. Sophia Bryce. Kaya Bush. Avery Crump. Juliana Judich. Jackson Fernandez. Carter Gomez. Eleanor Goldbrand. Zoe Henderson. Taggart Oregon. Gabriel Humphreys. Maxwell Johnson. Adriana Jones. Dylan Jones. Aurelia Jundy. Evelyn Lapola. Thomas Lane. Gabriella Lira. Rowan McNamara. Sadie Michelina. Griffin Minnick. Jefferson Park. Victoria Ponce. Trinity Price. Avery Randall. Elizabeth Ray. Gio Rodriguez Torres. EVL Rosario. Ariana Scott. Isabel Spittler. Ian Treebat. Sophia Wample. And last but never least, Whitney Wood. Congratulations.
Okay, hold up your certificates. You can see everything.
I don't. The kids can tell you I've been working on their last names for a few weeks now because I did not want to mess up their last names. Hopefully I did them right.
Good job. All right, guys, come a little closer. Act like you like we're, come on, come in, tighten up. Yeah, we probably need to have, all right, so from Griffin, so Jefferson come out in front and kind of kneel in front. Because don't line, buddy. Come on. See, no, y'all follow me. Squish in here. Yeah, follow them. Follow. All in the picture. So we're all going to get in the picture. Now,
Can I stand up?
Yeah, you're in on
right. Say cheese.
They're too wide.
Okay, couple more. Go down. You need them on this side too?
Yeah.
Noah, come down. Noah, come to the front. How much? Nico, can you see from here?
Yeah, maybe it'd be better if some of them went on like the stage.
You can follow her on the stage.
Yeah, because it's gonna be really hard to get all of them.
Adrian, come up here. Neil, Noah, Nico, come on over here. Yeah, Neil, that's perfect. There
Can
you
we
go.
take
So you're
some of
like,
them off this side too, please?
okay, so grab a couple of you, come on stage. Here, come on up. And then you guys can scooch in. Here, Neil next to Adriana. Okay, there you go. Here, Rowan, come on this side. Sorry. we go. Can we see now?
Yeah.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Please try to keep your eyes open.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep. Okay, students, have a seat, please. Okay, next we will recognize, we'll wait for them to get settled. Okay. Next we will recognize the principal's honor roll. Students earning this award must have achieved all A's in both quarter 1 and in quarter 2. Again, when I call your name, you'll do the very same thing and line up in the front. Okay, Principal's Honor Award. Kai Bellinger, Sienna Carrasco, Natalie Chase, Adeline Pleak, Clara Dean, Piper Eby, Lillian Hall, Olivia Henderson, Addison Hoff, Parker Hoff, Colin Kane, Tommaso Metcalf, Jaden Perry, Mila Kleinmel, Catherine Ryder, Mila Sansone, David So, Jameson Thomas, and Ethan Trin. Congratulations. Well done.
All right, you guys, let's shift a little bit so we're more centered. Shift it, no, this way. Take like 3 steps to the right. Wait, is that your right? I don't know. That would require. Yeah, we don't know how. Should I have a couple? Do you want me to bring them to the front?
Yeah, and then couple of
Okay, Katie, go to the front. You guys go to the front. Go to the front. Go to the front. There you go. Wait, no, like on this side, and I'm gonna pull these guys. And kneel down. Kneel. There we go. Kneel down. There we go. Okay.
Is it okay if I stand?
Yeah, just go for it, please.
Cheese.
Yellow,
All right, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Congratulations to all the honor roll recipients today. This does conclude the 6th grade award ceremony. Thank you all so much for coming out to celebrate all of the students' hard work and achievements. Parents, if you are going to take your child or you want your child to stay with you maybe for the other awards today, you do need to sign out at the front office, okay? But other than that, congratulations to all of the recipients, and students, we will be going back to our advisories. Thank you. Thank you.